guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Tanya and welcome to Tanya's Corner. So today's video is all about fake nails. Today I'm going to show you how to apply fake nails or artificial nails easily at home. And the best part about applying fake nails at home is that you save a lot of money. Generally, salons charge you more than 1000 rupees for a decent nail extension. But if you'll do it at home, then it will not charge you more than 100 rupees. So now without further ado, let's start this video. So the first step is to clip your natural nails down. So you just have to cut your natural nails close to the fingertips. Just trim them down a bit using a nail trimmer or a nail cutter. But if you don't like to cut your nails, then you can also file them to make them short. Keeping your nails short won't interfere with the artificial nails, and hence it will help the artificial nails to stick better and for a long time. So now after trimming or cutting your nails down, your nails will look something of this length. And the fake nails which I'm using today are from this Gauri Express. I got this one from Amazon for around 300 rupees and it got 100 pieces of fake nails which are in 10 different sizes, and each size contains 10 fake nails. And this pack also comes with 2 nail glue. तो अगर हम देखें तो हमारा एक बार का नेल एक्सटेंशन का सेशन हमें सिर्फ 30 रुपीज़ में पड़ेगा with this nail pack. But if you don't want to use those fake nails, then you can also use any other fake nails which you have or which you see in the market. These one are from Shein. इन फेक नेल्स का ये बेनिफिट होता है कि इनकी पहले से ही शेप बनी हुई होती है, पहले से ही नेल पेंट या नेल कोई डिजाइन बना होता है, तो इट्स easier to use. So now let's back to the previous fake nails, and the second step which you have to do is to go through all these fake nails and decide your nail size. And the best way to decide your size is that the fake nails should fit your nail bed perfectly. Like this one is not fitting perfectly, there's a little bit gap over there, but this one is fitting perfectly. The fake nail should seamlessly fit into your natural nail. It should cover your whole nail, and that is all you want. So just go through all these nails and decide what size fits you perfectly. Now the third step is to trim down the fake nail length. Just cut them using a nail cutter or a nail trimmer and cut it down to your desired nail length. And the best way to decide your nail length is after applying the fake nail to the nail bed and then decide what length you want. Now I'm just measuring the first nail to the rest others and I'm cutting all of them out. And this way you will get the same nail length of all the fake nails. And you need to understand one thing, that the nails which comes in the nail set are meant to fit everyone, and that means that maybe some of the fake nails will not fit your nail bed perfectly, and to make them fit into your nail bed perfectly, we will jump into the fourth step, which is to file your fake nails. So for that you just need to take your nail filer and file your fake nails. Just file the edges, or you want some particular shape of your fake nails, then you can also do that with the nail filer. Now the fifth step is to stick your fake nails to your real nails. And for that you just need to apply a little bit of glue onto your real nails and then place the fake nails just above your cuticle. Keep it straight as you don't want any crooked looking nails, and then press down onto your nail bed. Keep applying pressure for 10 seconds to ensure that there are no air bubbles. Just make sure that there are no air bubbles present before you go on to the next one. And this step is really important because if the fake nails is not secure to the nail bed, then the fake nails will not stick for a long time. And after applying all the nails, it will look something like this. And if you are using these nails, then they will also be applied the same way. And the last step is all about decorating your nails. You can either paint them using your favorite nail paint, or you can do some nail art on them and design them as much as you want. But I'm just going for a classic look, and there's nothing like a few coats of a pretty white nail paint. So yeah, this is how my nails look like finally, and I'm really happy how they have turned out. And yes, you can see a little bit of nail paint over my cuticles, but please ignore that. It will go away with few hand washes, so there's nothing to worry about. So that's it for this video. I really hope that you like this video. And if you like it, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.